Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine, Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Ratchet and Clank were delighted to discover that their newly repaired ship now had an upgraded hyperspace navigation computer.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
All units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack! Repeat! Enemy ships are now in the central district of Alero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area!
We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapons. You may now attack the transport.
Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you. More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch. Blarg transport down.
He took out another ship.
Whoever's doing heroic things up there, this is our turf.
No offense, Captain, but we kinda need the...
Another transport down.
It appears there are only 3 ships left.
Yeah, another one down.
Just 2 more ships.
Yes, we're on a roll.
1 ship left.
All systems restored.
That's the last of them.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The Warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a Warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. And how do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the Warbot's armor. There. You should now be able to pick up Warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out. Mag booster active.
There should be some Warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship. Warbots successfully magnetized. Setting course for Blarg warship.
Wait for it. Release. See ya. Boom.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
Haha! 1 in a million. Let's do it again. We got some.
We have enough power for a few more.
Now. Yeah, that one hurt.
We're in trouble here. Keep fighting, Rangers.
Hit it.
Warbots attached. There is is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Warning.
Oh, that's not good. We're breaking up!
There should be some warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship. Warbots attached. All resources consumed. We cannot carry any more warbots.
Wait for it. Release warbots! Boom!
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
Haha! 1 in a million! Let's do it again. We got some! Looks like that's all. Locking on. Now!
Sweet.
I believe the warship has sustained critical damage.
Yeah! One more hit should do it. Activate mag booster.
Warbots successfully magnetized. Setting course for Blarg warship.
We can pick up a few more. Gotta make another pass. Release! Warship down. We did it!
Way to go, whoever...
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now? I don't see why not. And that is how dumb luck helped a rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, Solitary Bill. Sheesh, you give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
Clank, look out! You all right, pal?
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sweep of the perimeter. Brax, you better check the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Copy that.
In the meantime, there's a friend not far from your position
Incoming
who can help you
dropship.
out. His name's Al. I was gonna wait until after training to introduce you, but now's as good a time as any. Find him and ask him to upgrade Clank. If he knows it's for the Rangers, he should do it for free.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah, we know about him.
City. I know when you think of me, you think of power. Bravado, the kind of raw machismo that sends criminals scurrying into the shadow. And you should, because I am just that. Aerial support!
Incoming dropship.
Citizens of Alero City, I know when you think of me, you think of power. Bravado, the kind of raw machismo that sends criminals scurrying into the shadow. And you should, because I am just that.
Incoming dropship.
Reminding you that I've got your back. Over. You're not walking out of here.
He's down!
Keep your eyes peeled. That Lombax and a defect could be anywhere.
Ouch! That one hurt.
Citizens of Alero City, I know when you think of me, you think of power. Bravado, the kind of raw machismo that sends criminals scurrying into the shadow. And you should, because I am just that.
Ratchet, there are more Blarg approaching.
Keep your eyes peeled. That Lombax and a defect could be anywhere.
Hey!
Have a wrong that needs to be righted, an injustice that needs to be remedied. All the galactic rages. No problem is too big. No problem is...
Here comes some more Blarg.
Hey, Ratchet, are you at Al's place yet?
Almost there. killing me.
Be the one that helmets was on Ion where you should be.
I see. Let's get him.
Who's out there? Don't make me call the authorities.
Oh, my back is killing me. The people would have had bigger money.
Who's out there? Don't make me...
That must be Big Al's place.
Yes! I, 7 levels into Unicom 2, Return of Unicom. And so help me, if I have to put down this controller...
Welcome, weary traveler. We'll leave that.
I'm saving my game.
See? Nothing to it. Holy cow. I've died and gone to nerd heaven. Look at this. They have Bongoid with a stick. Oh, Spiro the Space Moose. They even have the Mega Limited Ultra Edition of Intransigence Fall of Blarg.
That one comes with exclusive content if you pre-ordered through Gadgetron. I take it you're the ones Cora called me about? The ones in need of a new helipack upgrade?
You must be Big Al. It is nice to meet you. I am Clank. This is Ratchet.
Well, any friend of Cora's is a friend of mine. She and I kind of have a will we, won't we romance in progress.
Uh-huh.
Hop onto my workbench. I'll get you all squared away. Just reattaching the sister board, connecting the data port, and presto! Try it out!
Looking good, pal.
Back to the Hall of Heroes is easy.